Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Neha going back again. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I think my previous vlog was like, yeah, everyone loved that, and thank you. I've also got so many new followers here, so welcome everyone. Today vlog will be about this live village where I have spent a day, and then yeah, this is what I did. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. Thank you. This guy here to get a vegetables for dinner, and mother was so worried. She was saying, yeah, without putting meat, I don't know how to cook, it seems. And me coming at Naga house and eating vegetarian, it's very strange. Nah. She was saying, yo sumo dekho tole, sakto moko gaina. She was saying. So, what we were also taking. You like the smell? That smells so good. It's this basil leaf, na? Kind of basil leaf. So many duck, big duck here. So what we are going to cook today? ये खाएगा आज हम लोग. So our dinner for tonight. This is going to pluck squash again. Hey, you fell down, okay? Yeah, see, so many squash. Oh my God, can't believe. The small one, the whole will cook on it.
Yeah, that's what.
The small cutie one. कितना है देखो. यहाँ पे ना सब्जियाँ बस एवरीडे ऐसे ही गार्डन से निकाल के खाते. She's waving cloth for my Nimai Viva. Oh, so nice. See? So she will have all that view and just enjoy her work. She's weaving, and then this is her squash garden. कितना है यार guys, देखो. You'll not believe this is tall. Okay, wait, coming. You'll not believe this is not fact. This is true. Heaven, squash heaven. Where are you? How to come?
Come down.
From where? We have to.
यहाँ में एक जाल है ना.
ये जाल
हाँ, इसको निकाल.
इसका अंदर से आना है.
Yeah, like this.
Oh,
You keep your things.
where will keep? Oh, so many already.
Yeah.
Full. Wait, let's carry it. इसको रख देंगे. हाँ. Going to pluck cucumber.
I'll take for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Where is that?
You go there and search.
Oh, no Jugano.
Not to get. Don't scare.
She already knows that what I'm talking about now. Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be around here. You just search.
Don't go inside, no?
No. You don't have to go inside. Just look here.
Oh yeah, the big one is here.
Go there.
Yeah, I saw here. See, guys, देखो यहाँ पे. Oh, long one. This will be tasty also.
Yeah. Wow, nice.
How many will take? One is fine, no?
Yeah.
They have stubborn.
Oh yeah.
Not
I
so
think
many. It will come. One is fine for today.
It's falling. Look at that. You take that
Oh.
no. This is
Can eat.
Yeah.
I take this one. I got some more. Okay. Oh, so many here. Two. Wait, I got some more down there.
You live there, okay?
Bye. Get from tree also. Okay. Because this is about to fall.
Be careful, huh? Wow,
See?
you got lots, nah?
Wait, what happened here? Cucumber is not letting me go. Chalo.
Chalte? Whoa, we are like stuck.
Wait.
Don't
fail. Done. Yes, and we got so much. Oh wow, today curry will be yummy. All are organic, directly out from garden, home garden. So we'll cook today. Washing is done. So today I am cooking at this one is squash and aloo and tomato. Tell me something about Naga without saying that's Naga. So every house of the Naga you'll see this one. This is a meat, dry meat below the. So Mino is sleeping. Today I'm a cook here. Mom was so worried that I don't eat meat. So she's like, what to cook? Nothing. Because Nagas are like a meat, meat eater. They are really form of meat. And without meat, they don't eat any curry, any type. Like anywhere they will eat, put meat. Okay, so meat, matlab like dry meats or something will be there. She's like, I don't know how to cook without putting a meat. It seems anything you cook in fire, that will be taste will be so different and so nice. मतलब खाने का taste अलग ही दे देता है. So this is what we are eating today. She's the cook. Oh my God! See, you want to eat?
Yeah.
Yes.
देखो क्या क्या है आज खाने में.
Take more, okay, later.
Oh yeah. Though today we are going to have full squash, whole squash. Look at that. Oh my God, this. Ooh. ये एक मेरा है, ये एक आबा का. These kids are there with us from yesterday. Nah.
They really like me.
They like me. Nah? Come, let's go in my home. Okay?
Okay, Apple.
Okay, it's crying. Oh my God. This is because of fire smoke. This was so good. अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है ना ऐसा करके खाना जरा रोज मैंने होने से भी ओके I literally crying okay me
I used to it, no? Like it.
chutney for me packing giờ thả là đây rồi đây vừa hay dancing boy okay he's a dancing boy
Nó ăn sai ra hè.
Henny maybe và Henny maybe family go
Thế hè à thôn nằm mẹ, hena à thôn nằm mẹ, từ bữa qua ấy chỉ phi bên.
hey bố hey mày hey bố ni mày nói hey bố
Lại đi mà bữa bữa.
Santa này ni mày chị hey bố hay là thằng phi vợ thấy chưa nào lo về đấy ni mày về ha à vía bố chị tí ta mom is showing her family
Ta ha. 다 이거다 다 뉴 디키브가 대도는 담바모 해.
Sa ti sa ngobit tomde
다 변다.
design ba. Hena thawe. Hena bumu.
하나 아기매와
Ah,
하나 아기매가 사 하나 앞으로 타운데.
the
Ai bune fe follow que passa chimbo.
ha ava ve fe. Ava shama ve fe. She's so worried that I didn't eat meat, so I was just making her happy. I'm leaving today, so they packed me some squash, like some vegetables,
Or we like that with this bread, okay?
walnut. This is you guys got na. This year also there will be, I think, so many.
Yeah.
Or season off now. This year will.
It's not over, you can still get na.
She's dropping me with that. This is crazy. Going live village. We'll miss you. Mom is carrying a basket for me. She is not letting me carry. I feel so bad, yaar. She's giving so many squash and she's carrying. But for them, no, they used to work every day, so it's fine, it seems. They don't feel tired, it seems. Talaye yo, bebo. Christmas ko lahe. Oh. Oh, yo. To bit tao na to le. Oh. Villagers are saying me bye. Oh, talere yo, bebo. Bye bye. Bebo bye. Kids are walking. Okay. No. What's this girl? That also वही लेके गया पागल लड़के. This girl is waiting for me to go. I'm going here now. This is my today's journey will start. Girls are playing volleyball. Is crying, yes. Don't cry.
Come to Christmas, okay?
Okay, I'll surely come. Sabi is coming. My friend is running and coming. You wake up late? Ayo, Nisha, there. What she's doing? Yeah, what she's doing? Look at that. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Stay well. Okay. We'll see you in Christmas. I'll send you soon. Bye bola और मैं लिया taxi from Live Village to Snapti town का. This was around 7:30 a.m. and this is the condition. The roads are all under construction. Maybe in another 2-3 months or maybe a year, it will take to complete this. And the roads will be very beautiful and the views. The roads are all surrounded by mountains. It was a short stay in Live Village but had really a beautiful time here. I hope you liked the vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and hope to see you all in my next vlog. And guess where I'm going? So I may be uploading another village vlog again. So keep watching. Bye. Take care.